Greetings. In this video, I wanted to look at the possibility of space simply being water rather than a vacuum. And there's some things that I want to point out. In 2013, astronaut nearly drowned in space due to NASA's poor communication, reports say. This is a spacesuit leak investigation. I always thought it was because of this, and it probably is. But some of this other stuff has got me, which I'm going to show here in a minute, has got me thinking, what if the Bible has it right all along and it is water above and water below? So let's take a look what else we got here. Earth's water came from space, but not in the way we thought. I know that has been an age-old question. How did all the water on Earth get here? And since I've been a child, the answer has changed many times. The answer is always changing. In a couple of years, somebody else will have a different theory that'll prove this one wrong or whatever. And scientists have found more water in space than they ever knew possible. And I know this is all just a bunch of CGI garbage from NASA, but they're almost replicating images that you see in water. Here's Universe Today. Huge reservoir of water discovered in space 30 billion trillion miles away. Oh, okay, yeah. Are you sure about that? Okay, whatever. So anyway, it just got me thinking, what if, and I've thought about this actually for a very long time, but space is really just water. I want to talk about the fourth state of water here in just a second. But I want to point out sonoluminescence, because stars in the heavens up above look a lot like sonoluminescence. And if you don't know what that is, I did a video on that just 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I'll put a link to it at the end of this video. So some of these underwater scenes, it's hard to tell if it's a space scene or an underwater scene. And here's like bizarre fourth state of water. So I'm wondering if maybe NASA can get to the firmament, but my guess is if they can get to the firmament, they're having trouble is what I would guess. But I'm thinking more and more that what we consider a vacuum is really just a water. So in conclusion, how can you have an air pressurized system next to a vacuum without some type of a container? So is space actually water? Does the Bible have it right all along? Water's above, water below. Something to think about. Please make your own decisions, do your own research, and thank you very much for watching.